Hey guys, Patriot Contraptions here, and today this is just a quick update video on my dirt jumper build. Now, if you haven't seen the rest of my build progress, you can check that out on my channel, Patriot Contraptions. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on the latest updates, and you'll definitely find out it's much better filmed than this, because I'm filming this on a very tight time schedule today, but I wanted to update you guys because I'm having a ton of fun on this bike, and I think it's come a long way. So, starting off at the front, I did manage to garbage pick some suspension. And garbage picking is what it is, but I got some ground assault suspension. Like the name, turns out it's from a Walmart bike originally, but hey, it gets the job done pretty decent. So, I'm on a budget and I'm not going to complain. It's better than nothing. Coming up to the front, I did actually end up buying some handlebar grips, which are a huge update over electrical tape or the goofy orange BMX bike grips I had on this frame earlier in the video series. Then coming around to the back, the most notable and definitely the most improvement on the bike I've made since the last video is changing out the front sprocket on the chain. So what happened is I ended up using, and I didn't realize it at the time, a mountain bike frame that was running a street bike pedal system. I'm not sure how that happened, but it turns out the smallest sprocket on that was actually this one, which is the equivalent to a mountain bike's second gear sprocket. So I immediately realized I had trouble pulling it up in wheelies and going up any type of hill. So what I did was I found this, turns out this is a BMX bike front sprocket, and I was able to take off the old sprocket, and this one bolted right on without a single issue. Very happy with that. Also, it allowed the chain length to be improved so that I don't have to have that chain tensioner on here anymore. Well, that did work great. There's no reason to have something on there if it's not needed, and this chain just fits perfectly now. So I've been jumping this a bit, and hopefully I'll get some footage of that up. I've just been super busy around the shop. Now, obviously, there's still a long way to go on this project. I got to do some upgrades. I know some of my subscribers were commenting, hey, could you put a 3-piece crank on here? I'd love to put a 3-piece crank on this project. And yes, I do read all of your comments. A 3-piece crank would add a lot of flexibility in the length of the pedals and also what I do with the bike in the future. However, I don't have the money for it at the time right now, so we're going to have to hold off on that, as well as adding a new front with actually some super upgraded suspension. But all of that, I hope, will be in the future sometime, as I would definitely love to have some super nice suspension on this. The major upgrade I am planning for the near future is a tire upgrade. If you look at my tires right now, this is a death trap waiting to happen. You can literally see these tires are completely dry rotted. So just look at this section here. That is dry rot on the sides. These are actually breaking off. If I actually thumb this, see? Dry rot. So I'm a little bit scared to take this on anything major right now. So that's got to be a future upgrade in the very near future. But that being said, very happy with this build so far. Be sure to subscribe to my channel to stay up to date on it. And if you haven't checked out my previous videos, please check them out. They're much better film quality, and hey, it's pretty cool, I think, to see this thing built. I had a lot of fun doing it. So until next time, hoping you have a fantastic day. Patriot Contraptions, signing out.